The flagship display here at the LG booth has got to be the chandelier of 28 transparent OLED TVs hanging from the ceiling. The transparent ultra-slim panels are literally swinging and slightly swaying, acting as a giant chandelier suspended from the ceiling. This is obviously just a really cool-looking flex from LG, showing off that transparent TV can just be more than a large black rectangle bolted to a wall. There are 232 million pixels in this display, all working together. Can you imagine if a cathedral actually had stained glass windows that open and close like that? Absolutely epic. All of the communication for these TVs is done completely wirelessly. Yeah, they have a power cord, but there's no HDMI or RCA cables that they have to worry about. And while the chandelier itself is probably not for sale, LG does have the signature OLED T, which is a 77-inch 4K wirelessly TV. LG OLED T displays can be decorative while transparent, placed in the center of a room instead of on the side or between rooms, acting as a window of sorts. Since each of the individual OLED pixels are self-lit, anytime the color black appears on screen, the microscopic dot of a pixel just remains empty, letting us see through the hanging TVs into the hanging strands of light inside the chandelier. If you want to turn it back into a functional movie watching machine instead of a window, an opaque curtain can roll up behind the transparent pixels to bring back the perfect blacks that LG has been giving us for the past decade. Thumbs up for that. All of the signals, the sound and audio are transmitted wirelessly through the Zero Connect box, which can be placed anywhere in the room. And 2025 is the debut of their second generation high-end appliances, like a sleek-looking dishwasher with a handle that pops out. Going back to the affectionate intelligence that's inside these signature appliances, which again I'm told is more like the good robot and less like Ultron, we have the LG signature refrigerator with transparent OLED panels built into the door. As I walk up, a little indicator appears on the ground that I can step on and opens the door automatically, in case my hands were full of food or ingredients that need to go inside the fridge. Once the food is inside, I can close the doors with a gentle tap, and recipes appear on the fridge door based upon the food that is actually inside the refrigerator. Pretty mind-blowing. I think these AI-generated recipes are pretty cool, because it's a fridge, and it keeps your food cold. See what I did there? If we were to create one of those recipes that our fridge suggested, we can watch the meals cook in real time because the microwave and the oven both have cameras inside, so we can see that food getting cooked. I did try to think of another joke that I could tell about the oven, but it didn't quite pan out. Another thing I wish was in my life 30 years ago is an all-in-one LG signature washer and dryer. Dirty clothes go in, get washed and dried, and clean clothes come out. And that's not everything. Down here at the bottom, there is also a sidekick washer that has just a smaller load capacity, so it can be having two loads at the same time. If there's one booth to see, it's LG.